Today we're showing you a 2020 Kubota L2501 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA525 quick attach front loader on it. Tractor has just over 150 hours, so very low hour tractor. Is rated at 24 horsepower, has none of the DPF or DEF system, so no exhaust filter of any kind. Loader is plumbed for Grapple. See, you've got the hydraulic connections right up front here. It does have the skid steer cell hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Tractor's in great shape as well. Paint is in really nice shape, nice and bright. The tires are good. Has the hydro transmission, simple pedal for forward reverse, very easy to operate. It's a nice size tractor for property maintenance, around the barn chores, anything to that nature. Has 3 ranges in the hydro transmission, which are shifted right here on this orange lever. The pedal over there on the floor is for forward reverse. Got the button right there on the joystick to operate your third function of the loader. And it looks like the hours currently here are 150.4. So very, very low hour tractor. It does have a little bit of warranty, I believe. Check the listing for the exact dates. Looks like it may be expired. We do take trades. We do offer financing for qualified customers. We also offer delivery within the U.S. here. We can arrange delivery for nearly any state here within the lower 48. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.